Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get a notification when I do a new video. The materials are the following: a cleaning brush to clean the bottles, snow, spray paint, scissors, hot glue gun, gold paint, a plastic bag, a Dremel, 2 wooden stars, and gold glitter. The first step is to start shaping your brush as a tree, and this is how it's going to look. You can also make a little tree with the little brush. Just do the same step as we're doing with the big tree. To remove the tree from the plastic, we just have to start bending it until it breaks, and this is how it's going to look. Now get your plastic bag, put your tree, get your spray paint, and start painting that tree. Wait until it dries, and this is how it will look. Now we're going to get our snow, and we're going to start spraying some snow in it, and this is how it's going to look. I love how it looks. I was going to do the base of this tree with paperboard, but then I saw these 2 little stars laying on the floor, and I was like, oh my god, I need to make the base with those stars. These stars are from another DIY. Basically what I did was paint one gold, and another one I also painted gold but added glitter. That's it. It's super easy. I'm gonna leave a card here so you can have another option for a base if you don't want to do this one, or if you want a kid-friendly base, so they can join and be parts of this DIY. Now we're going to add glue to the little star and then glue them together. Now we're going to get our Dremel. Please, if you are a minor, do not use this Dremel. Go to your parents so they can do this step. This is the first time I'm using a Dremel. What I basically did was turn it on and then put it on the middle. When the smoke came out, I got scared, so I stopped, but then when it went away, I started doing the hole again, and that's what I did back and forth. And this is how it's going to look. Now put glue on the little hole and then put your tree. You're going to hold your tree on the top for a while so your tree will be glued straight. Now we're going to paint this part gold, and then we're going to get our glitter to make it even more fabulous. I am in love with this tree, and that's it. It's super easy, super fun, and super affordable. It's a great DIY. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get a notification when I do a new video.
My life, Fabs.creations. She a DIY sensation. All across the nation, you know she got